Welcome in and welcome back to our Friday morning final forecast here with DoubleUp Trading. Thanks so much for being here this morning. If you've been here before, you know why you're here. If you're tuning in for the very first time, feel free to visit our channel or check out the details in the description to learn more about who we are and what we do here at DoubleUp Trading. Okie dokie, you guys. Today is Friday, February 13th, also known as Expiration Day. So let's check out our options lineup for the week and see what orders we'll be working with today. It looks like we have 3 orders set for this afternoon, and all 3 of them have already executed, which means we've made a total of $1,600 in premium for the week. In regards to our options lineup, we've got a couple orders out on RCAT this morning and 1 order on ONDAS as well. For RCAT, we've got a $12 put as well as a $15 call set up for this afternoon. I've watched the value of the stock rise and fall throughout the week, being pulled in both directions with the overall movement of the market. That said, it's likely that RCAT could end the day under $12, which would mean our put would activate, granting us 1,000 shares of RCAT and allowing our $15 call to expire. If RCAT happens to close at a value above $12 yet under $15, both our put and our call will expire. And least likely, but if RCAT were to shoot up and finish the day at a market price over $15, then our put would expire and our call option would be activated into play, relieving us of 1,000 shares of RCAT stock. Next, let's take a look at ONDAS, which we have a $10 put on today. Despite the stock being up over $12 last week and above $10 on Monday, with the way the markets have been bouncing lately, it seems that ONDAS has not been able to maintain its value throughout the economic turbulence. Don't forget that Monday is President's Day, so the US markets will be closed, so be sure to come back next Wednesday where I'll be reviewing the outcomes for the options orders we had in play today, as well as introducing the new options lineup we've got set up for next week. So if you'd like to learn more about options trading, or if you're just happy to follow along as we document our options trades, feel free to follow us here, like and subscribe to show your love, or check out the description for more ways to view our content and see what we're up to. As always, thanks again for watching and hanging out with us here at DoubleUp Trading. We love to have you guys around, and we're always excited to hear from you. So feel free to ask questions or say hello to us sometime in the comments if you'd like. We hope you have a fantastic Friday, and we'll catch up with you guys next week. Take care.